Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. The following shape is made of several small cubes. Find the surface area of the shape if each small cube is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Now we know that all surfaces of a cube are square surfaces. Therefore, all squares visible in given diagram have dimensions as 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. Now this being said, this given shape has front face and back face over here, and both front and back faces have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 faces. Both front face and back face of given shape have 10 square surfaces each. Thus, we can say that total squares surfaces on front and back are 20, right? So similarly we have two side surfaces, one over here and one over here. Now as we can see, both the side surfaces have 1 2 3 4 5 6 faces each. Thus both side surfaces have 6 square surfaces each. So we can say thus total square surfaces on both sides are equal to 6 plus 6, 12 square surfaces. Now let's look at top and bottom surfaces. Let's look at top and bottom surface. So both the surfaces, that is top one and bottom one, have equal number of squares, which is, let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 and 5 more, that is 10, and 5 more, that is 15. So we have both top and bottom faces have 15 square surfaces each. So we can say thus total square surfaces on both top and bottom faces equal to 15 plus 15 is 30 square surfaces. Let's see. Now all we have to do is add all the square surfaces together to find how many total number of square surfaces we have. So let's see, there are 20 square surfaces on front and back, 12 on both sides and 30 on top and bottom. Therefore, total square surfaces is equal to 20 plus 12 plus 30, which is equal to 62 squares. And since each square has 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter dimensions, we have area of 1 square equal to 1 centimeter multiplied by 1 centimeter, because area of a square can be given by side multiplied by side. So this is equal to 1 centimeter square. Therefore, total surface area of given shape will be equal to 62 multiplied by 1 centimeter square, because there are 62 squares, which is equal to 62 centimeters square. So this is the answer.